안녕하세요, 저는 Noki입니다, and welcome back to my channel today, Luckies, where we are going to be reacting to some more Victon. And y'all, today we have got another very special request from Enzio from the Galaxy tier over on Patreon. So I just want to say thank you so incredibly much for your amazing support, man. I love and appreciate you so much for pushing the Alice agenda even more over here, and I'm so freaking excited as a baby Alice to finally get to know them so much better as well. We're going to be doing a Victon guide next month, so I hope you guys are super freaking excited for that. But today we have got 4 MVs that we're going to be reacting to. So we have got Ore, we have got Nostalgic Night, we have got Howling, and then after that we have got Hansungu's Sacrifice. Now, to the best of my knowledge, Sungu is the leader, I'm pretty sure, but y'all, please don't be surprised, obviously, if I don't fucking know what I'm talking about. But I am so excited to just get straight into today's video. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and give this one a massive old like. Let's go full screen, and let's start our reaction in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alright. Ore. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Interesting beat already. Ooh. Dude, the voice though. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Ooh, the choreo, get it. Wow, dude. What a visual, holy. That shot, I love. The song is interesting so far. Hey. Hey. Dude, I have to say though, Hanse, talk your shit. Hey. Much like easier rap. Is that Sungu? Sungu, right? Come on. Let's go, Log. Hey. Dude, I have to say though, his voice is just absolutely heavenly. Hey. Damn, man. Hey, dude, we love the double verse. Hey. Dude, I have to say, the thing is like, this song is, I'm not sure, it's very different to what we've heard from them so far, at least over here on the channel. Also, that is a beautiful shot, but I think I'll need to listen to it a few more times for sure. They're in Japan, it looks like, as well. Hey. Very much more relaxed. I have to say though, their choreography is incredible. I love it. Just how synchronized they always seem to be. This like softer voice as well on the outro is really pretty. Ore. Oh yeah, I forgot. Play M wasn't called Play M at this time, was it? Hey. So it is now, but it was Plan A. Okay, nostalgic night. Hey. 지금 그쪽으로 갈게. Ooh. Where are they too? Like, which country? Hey. Ooh. Takes a pill and disappears? Your voice, I can't. Hey, he's got a gorgeous voice. Hey. Oh. Hey, hey. Get your choreo. Wait, they're in LA. Hey. Hey, hey. Ooh, get a boy. Hey, hey. So this is like much more similar to like what I said, or like where we're going at least. Hey. The flowers under the band-aids too. What does it mean? This man has such a beautiful voice, and he's about to disappear. He's about to disappear. Oh. Hey. Hey. Hey, hey. I really like the drop. Like, it doesn't sound super out of place. Like, it's not too overwhelming. It's definitely not underwhelming either. Hey, hey. Hey. Dude, Hunter though, just looks like he's gone through a complete change. Complete change. Jesus. I literally don't even know what it means. I can't understand the MV, but that's just because I am stupid and I'm really, really bad with picking this type of stuff apart. But it was absolutely beautiful. Howling. I'm pretty sure I've reacted to a live stage of this over on Patreon as well. I didn't want to listen to the song repetitively though, so I haven't listened to it more than once. Hey. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have. Hey. Oh my god, dude. Hey. Get it. Get it, Hansei, yeah. Oh, hey, hey. He's crazy. Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Wow. This MV though. Hey. This shot, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Hey, hey. Ah, ah. Hey. Oh my god, dude. Hey, hey. Dude, I swear though, the hair and the visuals are just crazy. Hey. Envy is pretty simple, but it's really beautiful. Like, the shots, the outfits, their visuals are incredible. Hey, hey. Hey. Dude, I can't. The hair, I love it. Oh, those vocals. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Oh, 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 oh. Hey. God damn. I really enjoyed that. I have to say, like, once again, I think maybe it's just because of, like, the sound that I fell in love with for Victon. Like, maybe it's just because of this. I'm excited for this. Sacrifice. But I really like what I said and flip a coin. Dude, this looks fucking dope. This looks fucking dope. Ooh. What's this gonna be though? Dude, the car focus though, I love it. Hey. Ooh. Hey, hey. I love it. I love it already. Hey. Oh, just. Hey, hey. Dude. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Hey, hey. Ooh. Get it, dude, that crazy look in his eye. Dude, what are these outfits? This water choreo? Hey. I love it. What a king. Hey. Hey. Put a shirt on, sir. Get you, baby. Hey, hey. Hey. Oh. Hey. Dude, just his dancing though, like his like body rolls, his swag though. Ooh. Hey. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Dude, seriously. Hey, hey. Ooh. Hey. Dude, I'm so impressed. Hansungo. Does Hanse have like his own solo as well yet? Or any of the other members, as that matter of fact? Because I've got to say, man, oh, Digipedi, that makes sense. That makes sense why this was so fucking beautiful. So not only today's request, but also Enzio's request for this month in general were just really eye-opening, y'all, and I'm super freaking appreciative of that, to be honest. Like, honestly, I feel like I've just gotten a much better idea of Victon and where they've come from and, like, how they've evolved as artists, but also what sound they're most interested in now as well. I do have to say as well, I did just remember, I didn't react to the live stage for Howling, I reacted to the live stage for Mayday over on Patreon. So I was a little confused. I was like, oh, Howling doesn't sound very familiar. Like, have I really forgotten absolutely everything? Like, that's crazy. If so, pat on the back for me, because no spoilers. But I think it's Mayday that I've gone and reacted to over on Patreon, and I did really enjoy that song, as well as Flip a Coin, as well as What I Said and Sacrifice. I feel like that darker type concept is one that I'm really drawn to, and personally it hits me a lot harder, so I really enjoyed those. I do have to say that other favorites out of this request that we have had over these last two videos would have to be Nostalgic Night, definitely Mardo Ande or Unbelievable, and then after that, surprisingly enough, Amurochi Aninchok or I'm Fine. I've listened to that quite a lot, and I really freaking vibe that. I do think I need to listen to Eyes a lot more, definitely with Ore as well. And then Howling, yeah, I'm just not entirely sure how I feel about it. Like, the music video was beautiful, but I do just think that I need to listen to these songs a little bit more to gain a better appreciation for them. And then with that being said, this really segues into the next thing, and that is that I'll be doing a guide next month too. So we're going to get a much better idea, not only of, you know, how they have evolved in terms of like their artistry, but also really like where they come from, why they make the music that they do, and basically what they've been through as a group. And obviously to understand them better as well, I feel like it will obviously help me latch onto their music in a different way as well, or at least view them through a different perspective. So I'm really excited for that. But y'all, once again, thank you so incredibly much, Enzio. This was a really eye-opening request that you got for me this month, and I really freaking appreciate it, man. I love and appreciate you for all of your support that you show me over here on YouTube and also over on Patreon, and I cannot wait to discover some more Victon with you. But y'all, if you guys want to catch more Victon, whether it be over here on YouTube or over on Patreon, then definitely make sure to give the video a like and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more of my reactions that go up over here on YouTube. There is a playlist up in the cards above that you guys can go and check out for that as well. And also on top of that, if you guys would like to catch some more exclusive content such as live stage reactions and album listening parties eventually, then definitely go and check out the Patreon as well. See if there's anything there that you might like, and then of course stick around if you guys do want to catch some more of that content over there too. But y'all, until next time, take care of yourselves out there, stay safe, but most of all and above all else, make sure that you guys are remembering to stay happy. And until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.